Hey guys, Ashley here with my little garden patch. Today we're actually my parents' front yard. They don't know I'm over here. And I am gonna put in a nice little Hosta shaded flower garden for them. They recently just had a few huge trees cut down in their front yard and it needs a little help. So I thought this was a great solution to a shady part in their front yard. Okay, let's get digging. Their soil in the front yard is really hard. Like I said before, there was 2 trees they just had cut down and the whole system is root bound. A lot of hard digging, sifting out roots to get this hole ready for the hosta. Before I put the hosta in there, I like to add water just to soften up the soil a little bit underneath. Plop her in there and tuck her in real good and tight. And then I like to go back in and water it one more really good time and make sure it's soaked. So now we have them all planted. I also planted a few other bushes that the neighbor had just given me. I transplanted a hydrangea as well. I added some irises. And so I thought that was enough for this small little garden. Now when winter comes, the irises and the hostas will die back. So I wanted to add some kind of a border so I knew where things started and stopped. So I added a natural rock border. After I laid the border, I decided to make a homemade fertilizer of coffee and banana peels to pour around the rhododendrons, just to give them a little help because they're looking a little sad. After that, I made sure everything was good and watered one more time, and then I added mulch. I do plan on putting some kind of ground covering in their front yard now that the trees are gone. Let me know in the comments what your favorite good low maintenance ground covers are. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.